Okay, to find the image of the point 3 comma 2 when it reflected about the line y is equals to 1 over 3x. Here theta or tan theta is 1 over root 3, which implies that theta is equals to tan inverse of 1 over root 3. Therefore theta is equals to pi over 6. Therefore, from the formula of reflection of the point, that is x prime is equals to x cos 2 theta plus y sine 2 theta. So the value of x is here 3. Substitute for x, 3 into cos 2 into theta is power 6 plus y is 2, that is sine 2 into pi over 6. Then 2 pi over 6 means 2 is divided by 2 1, that is 6 divided by 2 is 3 into cos pi over 3, because 2 by 6 is 3, plus 2 into sine 2 divided by 3 is sine pi over 3. From this we have 3 into cos pi over 3 means 1 over 2. Cos pi over 3 means into 1 over 2 plus sine pi over 3 means sine 60 degrees, that is root 3 over 2. Then these 2 is cancelled by 2. Then we have 3 over 2 plus root 3. This gives 3 plus 2 root 3. And this one is for x prime. Now let's find for y prime. Y prime is equals to x sine 2 theta minus 2 cos x sine 2 theta. This one is y sine cos 2 theta. So the value of x is 3 sine 2 into pi over 6 minus 2 into cos 2 into pi over 6. So here we have 3 into this cancelled by this one, then sine 2 divided 6 is pi over 3 minus 2 into cos of pi over 3, because 2 by 6 is 3, cos pi over 3. Sine pi over 3 is 3 into root 3 over 2 minus cos pi over 2 is 1 over 2, 2 into 1 over 2. Then here we have 3 root 3 over 2 minus 1. Multiply this one by this one, then we have 3 root 3 minus 2 divided by 2. So the image of, therefore, image of the point 3 comma 2 is x is here. We have 3 plus 2 root 3 over 3 root 2 over it is over 2, comma 3 root 3 minus 2 over 2.